Alright, just got a new package from UPS, and it is the new DJI Ronin M. And we are going to do an unboxing. Now the Ronin M, as you probably know, is the smaller version that'll work on something like a GH4, lighter cameras and whatnot, up to 8 pounds, I believe. And it looks like the box that it comes in could actually be kept for possibly transportation or whatever. It's probably not the beefiest thing ever, but it looks, I mean, it's got a handle, so it looks pretty reusable. At the very top, I have a user manual and a quick start guide. Okay, open that up. And inside I've got, it looks like is the stand, very first. I'm actually going to set this up really quick. Fast, I wanted to show you this strap that it comes with. Goes through all the legs and whatnot, so very packable. That's kind of nice. So that's very nice. And I'm going to get the rest of it out. So there's that. I'm going to set this aside for now. Okay, inside here it looks like I've got the 2 arms. Looks like I've got everything out of there, so we'll set that aside. So that looks like most of it. And inside here looks like a bunch of little pieces. It looks like the battery here. Very nice. Probably the battery charger here. USB, probably for upgrades, firmware, and more battery chargers. This, I believe, is the main handle. With the quick release little toggle thing there. Here is another part of the handle. Well, maybe this is the top handle, and these are the 2 side handles. So 2 side handles here, and then the main handle. So let's get this one opened up. Case for little tools, it sounds like. And so we've got some hex, other things. I'm not exactly sure where these go yet, but I'm going to keep those in there. The remote, which is an awesome kind of thing that I may or may not be able to use. Obviously you would need a secondary user for this. It looks like it's got nice modes and functions, and not unlike all the other DJI setups. Have to get that charged up, I bet. And one more thing, this looks like the deal that your camera hooks up to and then hooks onto the machine. So we're all done in there. Excuse me. There's another strap here to keep everything together. I'm definitely going to hold on to those. They're just Velcro, but it's very nice Velcro. And this is the working unit right here, so that's very nice. Magnesium is what this is all made out of. You can tell just, I mean, it's very light. Tighten it down. So as we've all seen, you got your regular setup here to follow somebody. You've got briefcase mode by taking these two arms off and then just holding it like this, hanging down. Then you can go inverted also, for different shots that might work for you that way. So let's get the stand back up here. Save me the stand, which is very nice. Okay, I've got the battery out here now. Let's see what kind of battery. Well, and it's very low. Probably going to charge this up for a little while before I try to use it. While that battery's charging, let's see if we can't hook the camera up and get it balanced. Okay, I've got the Ronin on. As you can see there, it's working real well. I'm going to turn on the transmitter and see what we can get it to do. Oh, very nice. So I'm using this right here. You can see how it's doing that. Up and down, doesn't look like it's got anything. Oh, that's side to side. And looks like it holds it there. So get it back to normal. Bring that back straight and up and down. Looks really smooth. Could definitely see a use if you had some kind of a firm place to put this and maybe go off and do your panning and tilting with this instead of doing it with a tripod or a monopod or something. It looks like it'd be super smooth. Obviously I'm swinging because I've just got it in the stand, but the overall movement's great. And it should be said that I haven't touched anything with regard to this. All I did was turn it on and it's working fine right out of the box. Now I recommend you go and read up on it, make sure everything's make sure you know how to work everything, but right out of the box that thing works like a charm.